Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2016 Jeep Compass Sport. Stock number is A8444. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and nice chrome accents here in the grille. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Those, as you can see, are wrapped with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. There's no rips or stains on any of the seats. Very clean all the way, even in the back seats here. We're going to take one more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. On the back end here, we're going to take a look in the trunk. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. The usual power amenities here on the door. Taking a look inside now. You have your cruise controls mounted to the steering wheel. Full touchscreen, that includes your stereo. Climate controls, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Jeep on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.